Soap or soapy water sprays can provide an immediate, low-toxicity knockdown for small, visible wasp nests when applied correctly. Start at dusk or dawn when wasps are least active and most are inside the nest. Use a foaming insecticidal soap spray or make a concentrated soapy water mix with 2 tablespoons of liquid dish soap per quart of warm water and pour it into a pump sprayer that produces a steady stream or foam. Approach from a safe distance, aim the spray directly at the nest entrance and the seam lines so the solution flows into internal galleries, and continue applying until runoff is visible and the foam persists for several minutes. Wear long sleeves, long pants, closed shoes, gloves and eye protection, and keep a clear escape route behind you in case wasps exit quickly. If wasps begin to pour out in numbers, back away slowly and reassess at the next low activity period rather than trying to re-engage immediately. For larger nests with multiple visible activity points or known aggressive species, plan for professional removal because soap alone may not reach all occupants or structural attachments. 3 common mistakes are underestimating nest size, which leads to incomplete treatment because larger nests have deep galleries and require professional grade control. The fix is to stop after a cautious initial attempt and consult a pest professional if activity persists. A second mistake is attacking during the wrong time of day, which provokes foraging wasps, because midday treatments encounter most adults outside the nest. The fix is to schedule applications at dusk or dawn. The third is using weak soap solutions or poor spray equipment that fails to penetrate the nest and only irritates wasps. The fix is to use a foaming, insecticidal soap product or a properly mixed concentrated soapy water solution with a pump sprayer that delivers foam or a targeted stream. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and post real project needs so professionals can find work that fits their skills. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and compare solutions about projects like wasp nest removal.